As I mentioned earlier, the Corpus of Contemporary American English provides a great resource for teachers and students to use to look at how your words are actually used in text. We're going to call on our expert on COCA and our corpus man, Joe DeLusa, to describe a little bit more about the Corpus of Contemporary American English.
Here is the web page for COCA, or the Corpus of Contemporary American English, the corpus that we talked about earlier. I just wanted to give you a quick look at the front page of the corpus so you have an idea of what we're talking about with a web-based corpus. So here we can see we have many different features such as list, chart, collocates, compare, and quick. These are all features we'll get into later. But for now, I just wanted to do one quick search so you have an idea of what COCA looks like. So let's say I want to look at the word vocabulary. I'll just type in vocabulary. I have list selected, so this will just give me a list of the word vocabulary in context. And here's the word vocabulary. After we search it, I click on that, and now I will see a number of what are called concordance lines that feature that target word that we just searched, in this case, vocabulary. So here we can see things like vocabulary development, reading experience aids vocabulary development, and just how the word vocabulary is used in context. And we have hundreds and hundreds of examples of how it's used because COCA is a really big corpus of about 500 million words.
Another example of vocabulary tools that are available to everybody is spell checking. Most word processing programs and many of the programs on the internet, when they have an editor, they also have spell checking working in the background. These spell checking options allow students to see words that they have misspelled, and if we bring their attention to those words, they can learn to use that feedback to improve their spelling and thereby learning aspect of vocabulary. In this example, we see how the certain words were misspelled, and students who attended to the markup of those words could then do those corrections to get the markup to disappear. When the words are spelled correctly, they're no longer underlined in red. This unit of the course should provide a good basis for you as you work on the other activities in this unit.